What made you choose to use it more as like a teaching degree, like with
I
students?
I got to work and practice for a little bit after I graduated from vet school, and while I really enjoyed that, I found that one of my favorite jobs was actually helping the techs learn different techniques and explaining why we did certain procedures or different tests. And I learned about this job opening, and I thought, well, this kind of combines the best of both worlds. And I still get to help animals by helping teach technicians who will then go out and help animals.
Through your like journey getting here, what were like some of the hardest classes through college and school to get here?
For organic chemistry. That was not a fun course at all. And second to that, I would probably say I didn't enjoy physics very much.
What about in the like vet school? What about those kind of classes?
Those classes, pharmacology is always a hard subject, but I've actually feel like I have a much better grasp of that now that I teach it. Um, I didn't, it wasn't really a hard subject, but I really didn't particularly like surgery a whole lot. I much more, or I preferred the internal medicine side of things and was more interested in those cases. So while, it wasn't particularly hard, I just didn't enjoy studying about different surgical procedures.
Well, as a vet med tech student going into my junior year, what is some advice you would give me?
Time management is a key factor. Learn all you can as you go along. Work to apply the information because it'll stick with you longer if you can relate it to a case or to a certain um, animal or technique or something that you've seen while you've shadowed in a vet clinic. Um, Always remember there's an owner attached to the animal, and so always be kind and compassionate both to the animal but also to the owner.
Would you advise me to go straight to vet school?
I think there's pros and cons. I would say if you have the opportunity, go ahead and apply, and if you're accepted, go for it. If not, I think you can learn a lot as working as a technician. You get to see a different side of the profession. You get to gain a lot of technical skills that will later help you as a veterinarian. Learn some different foundations, principles. So either way is a really good path.